Do you struggle with mood swings and feeling down or anxious that kind of come out of nowhere? I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and I'm here to empower you to take control of your life with vitamins for mood swings. Numerous studies have shown that vitamin deficiencies are a common cause of mood swings. Number one, low vitamin C levels can bring on anxiety or depression. Iron deficiencies can also cause fatigue, anxiety, and affect your ability to concentrate. Number three, low magnesium levels can affect your serotonin levels, otherwise known as the feel-good hormone. And number four, deficiencies in B vitamins can impact the balance of the various neurotransmitters in your brain. The fifth one is that low vitamin D levels are extremely common these days and can bring on depression. These are just a few of the vitamins that can cause mood swings.